Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install mods in Farming Simulator 25. Whether you are on PlayStation, Xbox or PC, this guide has got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive in. To start, open the downloadable content menu in the game. Once you're there, you will see several categories like gameplay packages, tractors, trucks, maps, and more. At the bottom of this menu, you will find a list of your installed mods as well as any DLCs you have. If any of your mods need updates, they'll also appear in this section, and you can easily update them here. Now let's install a mod. Go back to the categories and choose the one you are interested in. Once you find a mod you like, click on it. This will bring up a detailed page with all the information about the mod. When you're ready to install, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an install button. If you're on PC, you can also press the enter key to start the installation. While the mod is downloading, you can monitor the progress in the downloads section or press the C key on your keyboard for a quick view. And that's it. It's that simple to enhance your Farming Simulator 25 experience with mods. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for awesome content like this. I'll see you in the next video.